Welcome to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Today, we have a major correction. Sloppy, lackadaisical, worklessness. Just a few words that I use to describe the work I put in the problem child video. After I drop the video, people who know the look at YouTuber, I know how to do things, link me and say, but look at YouTuber, that can't be. Because remember say they don't say, people who talk to privately. People that say, look at YouTuber and so. Go back in my notes. I want to go on there, so. Let me go back in my notes, and in case you're wondering what kind of notes, whenever you see me talk about a gang or organization, every member known to the organization, with around the organization, we have a file upon them. And we can just tap into the file, right, and make a video about them. That's why you see with us. Right, next week we have this video, next week a theme video. It was Escobar time to make a video about Escobar. When time look up on the Escobar file, I see where the error was made. Grave error. We are even giving a little sneak piece into the file cabinet. News carrier and a real problem child from early days. Somehow this stuck in a made Escobar was problem child. Now everything I hear say about Escobar and regarding Emmanuel spread, that's true. But Escobar is not the real problem child. Escobar is a problem child from long time. Them type of things happen from, as me say, sloppiness. Sloppiness on my part. So everything what you hear me say about Escobar and the rest of the video are true. Right? About Escobar and Roller Sprat and everything. Right? But problem child is a whole different group that Escobar was a problem child from early days, long time days. Emmanuel Sprat, let me say, I come from long time, from the original days of quote unquote Vibes Cartel, the group where I never want to go in there. The problem child video. Because enough people don't know said Vibes Cartel was actually a group. But all of that are arse dead and go for it. Right. This video I got shot, can be just make it clear, say, big error on the part of the local YouTuber. Big error. Right. Sloppy. Shabby work, especially for people come to expect from the local YouTuber. So, we're all about accountability. Because people are going to say, look at YouTube, I go like, and it's just I just want to look at error and that's true, but no matter. Because after somebody gets held accountable, there need to be some kind of punishment. No more World Sprat videos. Until Christmas Eve. Yes, we are banned ourselves from all content relating to World Sprat, Gaza, anybody around the camp. Sloppy. Let's go back into the file. I go through my Escobar notes and say, alright, time to make a Escobar video. Right. Skim through real problem child or problem child video. As me say, problem child wasn't really that important. Right? Them thing there, right? That's what I say go. Problem child wasn't really a major part in all of this. He never turned no witness, right? Never testify and bring no nothing. Right? And they never chop off his head and kill him and nothing like that. As me say, I saw that the file on the various young them. Back in the day we used to drop the stone crusher video them. Right? This is the bigger crime and you used to see right, the Richie Blacks and you see the Klansman them. Same thing in Gaza. A whole lot of people left to talk about. As you can see. Right. Mention Gaza Shotty. Right. You already about Ling. You already tell them to the Jackie video come danger and this whole lot of people. But in this instance, pure sloppiness. Pure sloppiness from my part. Unacceptable. So you put yourself on a almost 2 month right, Gaza man. Have to hold yourself accountable. Right. So nobody perfect. It's not about perfection. I work where I work, a serious work this. Right. So right. PIA almost 2 months ban me a drop it one. You don't know the Christmas time. Certain videos have to drop. But until then, no more Gaza video and World Sprite video. And as for the video, right, me already put it on private. Cause me say, right, I'm gonna remake that video. Right, Escobar, hinting I'm gonna remake. Unacceptable. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, me definitely know when to circle in today. Bless.